In this video, I'll show you how to add a shutdown button to your desktop, then we'll customize that button and pin it to the taskbar, and then we'll finish up by adding a keyboard shortcut for the shutdown button in the end. These steps will work for both Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 and Windows 7, so let's get to it. So the first thing we need to do to create a shutdown button for our desktop, we need to right click anywhere on the desktop and go to New, and then we have to choose Shortcut. Now where it says type the location of the item, enter the following command: shutdown space /F space /S space /T space 0, and then we're going to click next. Now give your shutdown shortcut a name, and any name will do here. I'm going to name it shutdown, and then click finish. Now let's customize the shutdown shortcut and select an icon to make it easier to recognize. Right click on a shortcut and go to properties, and then click on change icon, and then on this pop-up press OK, and in this list select the best icon for your shortcut. I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to press OK here. So the next thing we need to do is pin it to our taskbar, and we can do this one of two ways. We can either drag and drop it and it'll get pinned to our taskbar, or you can take the long route and you can right click on it and then click on more options, and then you can do pin to taskbar, and it'll be pinned to your taskbar, and you can rearrange its location by moving it somewhere else so it's easier to access. I usually like to leave it in the far right. Let's also create a keyboard shortcut by right clicking on the shortcut again, and we're going to go to properties, and now in this shortcut key I'm going to be using the Q key, and you can see that it auto populates the Control and Alt for us. So this way this shortcut will be activated when the Control, Alt key and the Q key are pressed together at the same time. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was any helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're here, check out some of my other videos that may be helpful for you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on the latest tutorial videos for Windows. Thanks for watching.